today's video. Today I'm going to make a vitamin C moisturizer. I'm going to go in my kitchen and I'm going to take some natural ingredient from my kitchen pantry and I'm going to whip up this vitamin C moisturizer. Vitamin C have to boost collagen production in the skin. It helps to clear pigmentation on the skin. It also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It is one of the most popular vitamins that is great for topical application on the skin. Vitamin C is also known to help your skin to look fresher and younger once used on a regular. This vitamin C that I'm going to be making, I'm also going to add some other ingredients that are also rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. So if you're looking for a vitamin C moisturizer that you can apply on your skin at night and wake up with amazing looking skin, naturally clear glowing skin, this recipe is for you. So follow me to my kitchen. I'm going to share the full detailed recipe with you. However, before I get into my kitchen, if you're new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and click on that little bell icon beside the word subscribe and you are subscribed, and you will also get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Now that is out of the way, let's start whipping this recipe up together. And guess what, guys? While we're whipping the recipe up, I'm going to tell you about all the ingredients that I'm using in this. So continue watching. To make our vitamin C moisturizer, I'm going to be using some orange peel. And this is dried orange peel. Orange peel is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C will help to boost collagen and clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. I'm going to be blending the orange peel. So place it in the blender. Now it's pretty easy to dry your orange peel. Just peel your orange and hang the peel to dry or put it in a brown paper bag. And now we're going to blend. Here we have our orange peel powder. You can choose to store this in a Ziploc bag in your refrigerator for up to 6 months. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of the orange peel powder and we are going to pour 3 tablespoons of hot water on the orange peel powder. We're going to stir this. Make sure the water is the boiling point, very, very hot. And what we're going to do, we're going to set this aside to brew and cool. You can choose to make this overnight. Now once this is brewed and cool, the next day, you're going to reach back for it. You're going to give it a little stir and you're going to notice that this has thickened up somewhat. Take a look how thick this has gotten. And now we're going to strain. And you notice you're going to get way less liquid than you put in. So strain. We're making a vitamin C moisturizer. Now once this is done, here we have our vitamin C liquid. So we're going to reach back for our blender. And all we got from this was about 1 tablespoon of our vitamin C. 1 tablespoon. We're pouring that in the blender. And now we're going to add some oils to this. My first oil is going to be grapeseed oil. However, you can go ahead and you can use any carrier oil. You can use grapeseed, you can use sweet almond, you can use coconut oil, you can use even some olive oil. I'm using grapeseed oil because it's a light oil. It will not clog the pores and it is great for most skin type. 1 tablespoon of the grapeseed oil, pour this in. Next, we're going to add some special oil. And my first special oil is some rosehip seed oil, rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, help to nourish and hydrate the skin. I'm going to be using about 2 teaspoons of the rosehip seed oil. 2 teaspoons, pour this in. So here in our blender, we have grapeseed oil, rosehip seed oil, and orange peel. We're making a facial moisturizer, a vitamin C facial moisturizer. I'm going to add my final oil And your final oil could be any of your favorite oil. I chose to use some pomegranate seed oil because it is rich in vitamin C also. Hydrates the skin, clear pigmentation, leave the skin smooth. I'm using about a half a teaspoon of our pomegranate seed oil. Pour this in. And once this is done, we are going to blend. Before I blend, I have one optional ingredient, and this is some aloe vera oil. If you have it, use it. If you don't have it, don't worry. Aloe vera will help to get rid of pigmentation on the skin, rich in vitamin C. I'm using about half a teaspoon of the aloe vera oil. And this one have a shaker. Shake that in. And now I'm going to cover and I'm going to blend. And now take a look, jar. And now guys, take a look at this moisturizer. And let's pour this out. Vitamin C moisturizer. Natural homemade orange peel vitamin C moisturizer. And there you have it. This is now ready to use on your skin. This is going to help to lighten, brighten, and hydrates the skin. I suggest you use this vitamin C moisturizer at night. Apply it atop of your facial toner and your facial serum, or use it above your toner only. This is going to clear pigmentation on the skin, lighten, brighten, while boosting collagen production. And this is great for most skin types. So to use the moisturizer, you want to apply this to clean skin. You take a few drops of the moisturizer and you just rub it all over your skin. It do contain water, so it just absorbs in the skin. And this makes it great for most skin type. It's non-greasy and it's just going to melt in your skin. Good for the face, the neck, and décolleté. Just massage this on your skin and you're on your way to clear, naturally bright, glowing skin. Your natural homemade vitamin C moisturizer.